What's the meaning of advantageous? Advantageous. 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 Advantageous is an adjective that indicates a favorable or beneficial situation, condition or characteristic. When something is described as advantageous, it means that it has advantages or benefits that are useful or helpful in achieving a particular objective or goal. This could be related to a business decision, a personal choice, or any other circumstance where having an advantage would be deemed beneficial. Overall, the term advantageous implies that the subject in question has an advantageous position or quality that would be helpful in achieving success or a desired outcome.